Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through the parish of St. Mary in Jamaica. Now we are on the northern coastal highway. We just came through the roundabout area that they call Junction in St. Mary, and we're heading towards the Highgate and Port Maria area. Now when you're driving from Kingston to St. Mary, you drive over Stony Hill Road and come out by the Junction roundabout. They call it the Junction Main Road, and it was recently renovated, or in the process of being renovated. And then when you come to the roundabout, you take the left. That's the road we're on now. We're going over this bridge that takes you into Port Maria, Highgate on the north coast. So it go from St. Mary towards Ocherios. If we had gone left at the roundabout, we would go into Port Antonio and that side of the island. So this is a northern coastal highway. Now we always show you pictures of this highway because this is the main road that runs on the north coast of Jamaica. This highway runs all the way from Negril, all the way back to Port Antonio. So it runs from Negril to Montego Bay to Falmouth to St. Anne's Bay to Ocherios, right back to Port Antonio. So this is one of the main roads in Jamaica. As you can see, it's a very nice road. And the southern coastal highway that takes you from Kingston to Port Antonio will join this northern coastal highway in Port Antonio. So the section of this northern coastal highway is going to be changed from 2 lanes to 4 lanes. Right now, the entire stretch of the road is 2 lanes, but the section from Montego Bay to Ocherios is going to be expanded to 4 lanes, which means this section won't be expanded right now because this is the section from St. Mary to Ocherios, basically. So this section won't be expanded right now. On the left, you can see a lot of coconut trees. St. Mary is more of a, it's one of the smaller parishes in Jamaica. Not much really going on for St. Mary, not like Ocherios, or I should say St. Anne, that has tourism. St. Mary is a smaller parish compared to the others. But you have a lot of agriculture, the banana chip company. I don't remember the name of it now, but they have a very large, well, they're located in St. Mary. St. Mary Banana Chips, that's the name of it. How could I forget that name? They're located here and they have a very large farm, you could say, where they grow the bananas. And then we just passed a very large coconut, a farm, I guess, where you have a lot of coconut trees. So we're on our way to Port Maria today. And Port Maria is the capital of St. Mary. It's the largest town in St. Mary. You don't have a lot of main towns here. You have Port Maria, you have Highgate, and you probably have Oracabessa. And those are probably the main towns in St. Mary. Alright guys, so enjoy the rest of the tour. And remember to like, share, and subscribe, and leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.